Okay, so there is a difference between a barbell push press and a barbell strict press, and it's all about the momentum. All right, but I see a lot of people do these wrong, so this is the video. All right, so how do you set up? First of all, I like to set up with the barbell just under my collarbone. Okay, that way I can really get under it. Okay, so a barbell, and then with this, you're actually going to bend at your knees, keep your core tight, bend at your knees, and you're going to push your butt back a little bit. All right, so you're right here. Don't forget to close your jaw. Okay, close your jaw, pop up, and then bring it back down. Okay, so I'm going to do that again. Bend my knees, bend my hips, pop up, and you're going to push that barbell up. Now, what I see people do wrong is that they don't use their butt. They actually move forward. They completely lose their core. And so now you're just pushing from your knees and you're going forward, right? You're kind of doing this weird 80s move, okay? So you really want to think about getting a nice strong stance, push your butt back, bend your knees, so then you can keep your core nice and tight. All of this energy that's building up in your legs and in your butt is going to transfer to your hands to pop that barbell up. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, if this helped you, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe to follow along for the journey. And other than that, don't forget to be strong, work hard, live your adventure. See ya.